Hey guys, what's up? My name's Ronan Vico, and in this video you're going to learn how to test in a book method your agent at Copilot Studio. Just as an example, I have this agent right here that is an HR agent that I have on my company. While I was developing this agent, a lot of the times in the past, without this new method of the evaluation, to test it, I just send to the agent a lot of messages, or I publish this agent to a couple of users, and them will test for me, asking questions, and then after that I would see the activity and see the answers and understand if the agent was properly working. In a lot of cases, we do not want to the final user to test to us, right? We want to have a perfect or the most perfect agent before publishing it into production. We have a new feature now called evaluation. This feature allows us to create some test set. When we click here on the new test set, we have some options here. We can drag a CSV file with a template that you can download. This template, you can fill some phrases, questions, and with these phrases, the AI agent will import and use as a test set. Also, you can quick question set, generating 20 questions or even a full question set with 100 questions, and both of them is generated by AI using the topics and the knowledge that is already connected to your agent. To start, what I do recommend is to click here on the quick question set, and you can add manually more questions. So here's it. It is in Portuguese because my agent is on Portuguese language. Sorry for that. I will create a new in English for this channel in English, guys. But what you need to understand here is that I can add a case manually. So let's say that this agent is used globally. So people from Brazil will ask in Portuguese, but also people from USA will ask in English. So this is a really useful case here. So I can insert a question, add a new question to this set. Let's say, what is the purpose of this agent? And I will apply. You can see here, each question have some methods that I can use as an quality measurement. The default is quality with generic quality. To understand that, we can click here and learn more and understand that quality test was measured by relevance, roundedness, completeness, and abstention. So the general quality use these types of measure to tell us if it's a good answer or a bad answer. But you can also have a compare meaning and write down the expected response. Also, you can change. Instead of searching for the quality, I want to know the similarity on this specifically question. Why that? Let's say that I will apply this question right here using the general quality. What is the purpose of this agent? I will click apply, but let's say that I need other question here that is specifically and exactly answer that I need. Let's say that I have a rule in my company that to ask on time off, a day off, you need to ask in advance, like 10 days before. So if I test this case right here, how many days in advance do I need to request time off? I know that the expected response is a text match or a similarity where the text should be 5 days. Let's say 15 days. So when I know that the expected response should have a specifically similarity, a specifically text match, because I know that in my knowledge I have the exactly response that should be found, I can use the similarity or the text match. I can also use the quality with the compare, meaning that we'll use um, the quality criteria, but I recommend to use the similarity or text match, right? Because I just want to know if it's exactly what the answer should be. So in this case, how many days in advance do I need to, to request time off should be a similarity or a text match. So I can apply this text similarity, and here's it. So I have this question with this method, I have this question with this method, and using the general quality as a standard, I do not have an expected response. Okay, after I have all my questions, my set of questions in my case, here I have 12, I will evaluate. So I can save this test set and evaluate. So what is going to happen here is that all of these questions will be a new chat, a new conversation. Each one of them will start a new conversation. It's like you testing to initiate 10 chats, but I can do that as a book method using the evaluation here. So I will click and evaluate, and I am able to log in into this test set as a specific user. I already did one here. That's why I was not asked for a login, but I can log into other account. I can log into a specific user to test as this user in this test case. That's so cool, right? Because I can test the permissions and other things with a specific user. While the test is running, let me show what I just said to you. So if you open a test set, you can change the user profile. I am testing all these 12 chats as Ronan is starting the chat. So I can click here and change the user for the connections that is at the agent. Oh, here is it, my evaluation are ready. So I'm going to go back here and see that only 50% was passed on my test. If I click here, I can check each one of them and see all the activities. That's so cool, because in the past, guys, we should do one by one. Now I can like insert a book set of questions and see the results. So what is the purpose of this agent? Passed in the score. If I click here, I can see the response. Of course, it's in Portuguese, but yeah, I can see the answer. The other ones is this one. How many days in advance do I need to ask the time off? So he do not understood the assignment, and the response was something else, asking what exactly I want. So he did not found the right answer. It's a really useful feature to check what the agent is answering first for a specific question. I want to know from you, what is your opinion about this new feature, and also leave down your feedback about our classes. If you want other videos about a specifically subject, leave down below also. And write down, as always, the magic word banana. If you write down banana in your comments, I will know that you watched it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Check my links on the description. I have some affiliates that you can help me buying from them, so I can keep creating content right here. You can become a member of the channel, or just hit the thumbs up and share so we can grow up this channel. See you in another video, in another class, and please consider to subscribe.